Hello everyone. I am Divya Hutke, studying in Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering in Department CSE AIDS. Today I am going to explain the concept of four order of nature. Let's start. So, what is the four order of nature? The four order of nature is a concept of universal human value framework that explain the structure of nature world in a holistic and interconnected way. It categorizes everything in a nature into four distinct order based on their characteristics, function, and living consciousness. So, see the which of the four order in a nature. First one is a material order, second one is a plant order, third one is a animal order, fourth one is a human order. So see one by one four orders. First one is a material order. Material order refers to inanimated or non-living things entity in a nature that exist physically but do not possess life or consciousness. All material things can understood as a activity of a unit, combining together to form a bigger unit. We can this composition. For example, a chair is made of smaller pieces of wood. A bigger units can also separate from each other to form a smaller unit, and we can call a decompose. For example, soil, water, metals, air, physical things, characteristics, which order is present physically in a nature that we also called as a material order. What are the functions? Provide a physically support and a material basic for other orders. Next one is a plant and a bioorder. Plant and bioorder refers to all living entity that have a physical body and life but do not uh, possess the ability to think or make a conscious decision. In a plant is a basically structure made up of a material order. However, additional activity is respiration is exhibited by plant order. For example, we all know the plants are made up of a smaller cell that has a breath and bloods. So when we look at all units that make up a plant and bioorder, we will find they can understood in the term of composition and decomposition and respiration. For example, plants, trees, and crops. Characteristics. In a plant's bioorder includes a living and a non-living organism into nature. Functions supports animal and humans life, maintain a ecological balance. Next one is the animal order. Animal order refers to all living beings that a physical body, life's basic consciousness in the form of a sensation, but lack of ability to understand other living by value consciousness like human beings. When we explore the animal order, we find the two fundamental difference of a set activity. One set of activity is a physiochemical and second the activity of a body and the other is the consciousness activity of a cell. What are the characteristics? Character the animal who's present in a nature but do not behave or think with ability of a human being. Functions live a sensation modality instinction based living. Last one is a human order. Human order refers to living beings that have a physical body life and a full consciousness and the ability to think, understand imagine and make a value based decision. We have already seen a human being of a coexistence of a physiochemical body and the consciousness self or I. The activity in the human body are similar to that animal body, and we have see this in detail composition and composition and respiration. Characteristics are the humans have ability to think, prefers and action. What are the function? Has the ability to understand and live in harmony with all orders. Thank you.